Hello, how are you? Today I've put together a special list for you with 9 tips to help you drink more water, lose weight, and improve your health. You're going to love these tips on how to incorporate the habit of drinking more water into your diet and daily routine. Stay with me until the end because you won't want to miss them. First of all, if you're new here, take a moment now to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post new videos every day and you won't want to miss them. If you know someone who needs help increasing their water intake or wants to lose weight, share this video. Let's work together, you and I, to spread this positive movement because that's what I want most for this channel. Water is essentially very closely linked to weight loss. Water is involved in biochemical processes, and the amount of water you drink can, in fact, actually make a big difference in how quickly and effectively you lose weight. That's why I've put together these tips to help you drink more water in your daily routine. Let's get started. The first tip is very valuable, so remember it well and put it into practice. You'll start seeing results quickly. Drink a glass of water before lunch and before dinner, at least 30 minutes before each meal. This will ensure that you arrive at your meal already hydrated. In fact, the signals for hunger and thirst are very close together in our brain. Many times we think we're hungry, but we're actually just thirsty. So, when you drink a large glass of water about 30 minutes before lunch or dinner, it can help you eat less and feel full more quickly during those meals. The second really interesting tip is to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Many people are used to having coffee, tea, or milk as their first drink of the day. Switch that for water, because this way you'll hydrate yourself much better. Since water promotes hydration in our body, all the other drinks we consume need to be metabolized, but water does not. Besides that, it helps rehydrate your body, which has gone so many hours without hydration. So leave a bottle or a glass of water next to your bed, and as soon as you wake up, drink that water. And ideally, this water should be at room temperature because it's easier to drink in the morning than very cold water. Many people have trouble drinking very cold water, especially in the morning. Another really good tip to help you drink more water is to determine exactly how much water you need to drink. Because a lot of people ask me how much water they should drink, whether it's 4 cups, 8 cups, 12 cups. So actually water, like everything else we consume for our bodies, has a maximum and a minimum amount that should be consumed. Of course, this will vary depending on where you live, whether it's a hotter or colder place, if you exercise, and other liquids and foods you consume. But on average, 35 to 40 milliliters per kilogram of body weight is a good amount. So do the calculation based on your weight. Multiply your weight by 35 or 40 to get roughly the average amount you should consume each day. So, to make sure you're able to consume the amount you calculated, it's a good idea to carry a water bottle with you because it can be difficult to have water available throughout the day, depending on where you work, study, or exercise. So if you have your own water, your bottle with you at all times, it's easier for you to reach the goal you set for yourself. A great tip to help you drink the amount of water you've set for yourself is to add some flavor to your water. I'm not sure if you're already familiar with this concept. You can take 4 cups of filtered water and add a few slices of lemon, or put in some sprigs of mint, some sprigs of parsley, a few pieces of cucumber, a piece of ginger, and depending on what you add, it can even help detoxify your body. Some people take a few strawberries, chop them up, and add them in, because that will give the water a bit of that sweet flavor. It can be apple peel, cinnamon, it all depends on what you like. And that way you can flavor the water. Never add honey, sugar, or anything like that because we don't want to add calories. We just want to add aroma and flavor to help you drink more water throughout the day. Another really good tip to help you plan to drink more water for weight loss is to drink a cold, refreshing glass of water each and every time you urinate, right after you finish urinating. Since we're eliminating fluids from our body, replenishing them will naturally help you reach the goal you've set for yourself. And you end up linking one habit to another. You go to the bathroom, you drink a glass of water because one thing is connected to the other and it becomes easier for you to stick to it. To help you keep track of this, the amount of water you need to drink, you can also set an alarm on your phone to go off every hour or every 40 minutes to remind you because many people end up forgetting. When they realize it, 3 hours have gone by and they haven't drunk anything. Maybe an alarm can help you. But for other people, having an alarm going off all the time is a bit annoying. They don't have that option at work, or they don't want it to go off and have everyone notice that they're worrying about this. So some people take notes instead, either on paper or digitally. It can be through an application. There are some helpful apps you can download, where you can log how many glasses of water you've had. Or you can use the traditional notepad, where you mark tally lines for how many glasses or bottles of water you've had throughout the day so you can keep it organized and not lose track as the day goes on. And here's another really great tip. Whenever you can, replace caloric drinks with water. So instead of having juice, soda, or those store-bought iced teas, swap them for water. It can even be that flavored water I taught you how to make. That way, you'll hydrate your body better with 0 calories and make your weight loss process easier. And let me know down below if you usually drink a lot of water throughout the day. How much water do you drink? Do you have any tips to help us drink more water? If you do, leave it for me down in the comments. I'd love to read your comment here. And if you know someone who needs more tips on how to drink more water or is struggling with this, share this video with them. Let's work together, you and I, to grow this chain of good. That's what I want most for this channel. Speaking of helping others, like the video, that helps me a lot. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I have new videos every day with lots of tips on health, fitness, nutrition, and I make several super healthy, nutritious, and affordable recipes. You won't want to miss them. See you next time. Bye.